face is a little puffy from sleeping. Good morning. It's another beautiful day in the Smokies. I feel very lucky to have this weather. It's also, I love the morning light, especially going over the mountains. I'm kind of on the ridge right now, and it's so beautiful. So I only have a couple more days in the Smokies, which is kind of crazy. It's going by fast, but I think this really has been my favorite section so far. I'm probably going to say that like 1,000 times.
Well, it don't come with a master plan, a grand design for how to make it pan out the way you want it to. Well, son, that's left up to you. It's a race of undetermined.
So I thought this was pretty cool. I didn't realize that this section, at least, you can have horses on this part of the AT, and these are where you can put your horses, and the shelter's just down the hill. I thought that's pretty cool.
That'll test your mind and test your strength, leave you feeling all alone, but always find a way to bring you home.
This is just so magical. Just sit and listen. The birds. This is so beautiful.
Be careful not to waste it while planning how to make it, 'cause it only comes once and it don't last long. Always remember it ain't something.
So I believe that this used to be the remnants of an old helipad right here. And it's got like the most amazing views. I'm eating my peanut butter. It's my walk-in snack. This is amazing. Look at all these flowers. Good morning. It is the last day in the Smokies, and I got up super early, partly because I wanted to beat the rain, and also the sunrise is so pretty. I'm trying to get around this mountain so I can see it. I don't know if I'm gonna make it, because it's just pretty much down from here. I slept. It was actually really warm last night, and compared to what it's been, so I slept so good. I was in the shelter again, and I think I'm liking the shelter life, but I do wake up multiple times a night thinking that a mouse is on my head. It might not be, it could be. I did hear them last night kind of scurrying around in the rafters. I'm heading to Standing Bear Farm Hostel, probably to stay the night. I have a box to pick up there, and then I will move on to Hot Springs. I can't believe it's going so fast. Like, Max Patch is coming up so soon. So there is a side trail to a tower, and I've heard it's really cool. And yesterday I was thinking I was probably going to skip it because it was going to rain, because it's going to add like 1.2 miles to my day. But since it's so nice, I think I might as well.
This world with broken toes, from my missteps and tortured souls, I learned my way, breaking every bone. Now I see all these aches and make you grow.
It's totally worth it. This is crazy.
Every fall has a rise, every burn has a flame. From foolish to wise, we all bruise the same. Now I got these growing pains. When the storm wind blows, I'm the weather vane. Now I'm made with what remains, a thick skin, knowing it's just growing.
my body is feeling pretty good, except yesterday started getting like a little bit of a pain in my shins, just on my right leg. The day that I did like 17 miles might have been a little much. It's only like 10:40 and I only have like a few more miles to go. And then I'll be at the hostel for the rest of the day, so I think that little bit of rest will be nice. And then moving on to hot springs. All right, here it is. So my permit's a little crumbled. There we go. Bye, Smoky Mountains. All right, that's it. That was all of the Smokies. Springer Mountain, 239 miles back. Katahdin, 1,953.9 miles this way.
There's the words to say. All the things I found being chipped away, and all the ways I built from how I pray. And every laugh.
I was looking at the plants and look at these little curly cute things. They look like they're from Dr. Seuss.
Every loss has a gain. From foolish to wise, we all bruise the same. Now I got these growing pains. When the storm wind blows, I'm the weather vane.
This is different. I'm like on the road. And that's I-40 up there.
I'll leave with what remains.
I was just walking on the road and a man who looked like a local and he had an AT sticker on his car. He said, "Are you going to Standing Bear? Do you need a ride?" I was like, "No, I'm good." Because I know there's like this whole thing of purists on the trail. Like you want to walk every single part of the AT. And I kind of feel like I'm in that group. I gotta walk it.
Skin knowing it's just growing pain.
I think that's the hostel right there. Yay! Standing Bear Farm. That's so cute. So this is the bunkhouse. Here's my bunk, and I got my box. Woo! Goodness, you are so sweet.
Okay, can we? I mean, it's gonna rain soon, so let's go.
Ooh. Ooh, have y'all had the Major Melon Mountain Dew?
No.
Soda.
One.
And cheese balls. Okay. This box is so heavy. Oh my god. Oh. No, this is too much. God, so much snacks. Okay, so I noticed it said, "Katie, look," on here. And then I got a note, "Be kind to my bears," from my old soccer coach.
So